Alright, home cooks, today I'm diving into the delicious world of Chinese dumplings. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these little pockets of joy are easier to make than you think. First things first, let's talk about the dough. It's the canvas of your dumplings, so you want it just right. Mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt. Gradually add a cup of warm water and stir until it forms a sticky dough. Knead it on a floured surface until smooth, then let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's whip up the filling. Traditionally, pork is the star ingredient, but feel free to get creative. You can use chicken, shrimp, or even go veggie with mushrooms and cabbage. Today, I'm sticking with the classic pork filling. Combine half a pound of ground pork with chopped green onions, a clove of minced garlic, grated ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Now, back to the dough. Divide it into small pieces about the size of a walnut. Roll each piece into a ball, then flatten with your palm. Use a rolling pin to create a thin circular wrapper about 3 inches in diameter. The key is to keep the edges thinner than the center so they seal nicely. Time to assemble. Place a teaspoon of filling in the center of each wrapper. Fold it in half to create a half-moon shape, then pinch the edges together to seal. You can pleat the edges for that restaurant-quality look, but a simple seal works just as well. Make sure there's no air trapped inside or your dumplings might burst while cooking. Now let's cook these beauties. You have 3 options: boiling, steaming, or pan frying. Boiling is the simplest. Just drop them into boiling water and cook until they float about 3-4 minutes. Steaming is great if you want a softer texture. Just place them in a steamer basket over boiling water for about 10 minutes. But my favorite method? Pan frying. Heat a bit of oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Place the dumplings in a single layer and cook until the bottoms are golden brown. Then add a splash of water, cover and steam until the water evaporates and the dumplings are cooked through about 5 minutes. Once your dumplings are cooked, it's time to dip. A simple sauce of soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of chili oil is perfect. Dip, bite, and enjoy that burst of flavors. So there you have it, folks. Perfect Chinese dumplings right in your own kitchen. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you make, the better you'll get. Happy cooking. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Catch you next time.